Jake here with another video, and today we are going to be checking out this Buildable update, and we are here with 16x2xx, and he has, alright, so now let's go start with the update. First, we are going to be checking out the shop, and oh wow, what's this? A Christmas harpoon? That's cool. Oh, now they're selling cookie wheels. We have a purchase one gift in your server, and these Christmas presents open on Christmas Day, transforming into a new block. Oh, that's nice. So we can purchase one gift, so that it's on 50. Oh, and there's a new chest. Let's see what's inside. Oh, a new block, a coal, a neon block, 3 presents, a star, a tree, a harpoon balloon, and a Christmas harpoon. So now let's just go buy. Wait, let's exit out of that and let's buy a gift for everyone. Alright, 250. And let's see, I think he got it. Let's see what else should we buy. Let's buy a couple of these. How many? 20. Ooh, 20 is for 1,000 gold. Oh yes, he received the present, as you guys can see right there. He got the small present. I wonder what block is going to be inside, but let's buy 20 of these boxes for 1,000 gold, and there we go. Oh, 167 of the new block. That's good. 79 coal. 16 balloons. Come on, I want the Christmas grappler or harpoon. Ooh, 11 presents. 7 stars. 4 neon blocks. 4 presents. And there's different colors. No, the Christmas harpoon. We got the yellow. No, we didn't get it. Okay, well maybe next time. But that is it for this update, and there is this new boss. So let's go. We are in this new boss fight. Oh, okay. Follow the green air, but like, look at this map. It's so cool. Oh, we're on ice. Wave 1. Oh no. Oh, attack them. Oh no. Gotta attack them. And you get 1 gold for defeating them. Don't get it.
I'm gonna just click everywhere for them. So this is easy. Well, just gotta tap them in the correct spot. And why? Oh, we're on wave 2 now. We still have 3 lives. Okay, they're over here. There's 12 of them. And it's easier with 2 people. So if you guys want your friends to join, it will be easier and get faster. Oh no. Don't wanna lose life. Yeah. Ah, what's this? Gingerbread. Attack it. These are harder to defeat. Okay. Oh, they cracked in half. Let's see. Oh, what's this chest?
I wonder if we get this chest, if we win. Can't open them yet. Alright. Oh, new gingerbread. Oh no, getting attacked by other gingerbreads. Why is there so many? Just keep throwing.
Don't get kicked. Ooh, the purple one does a lot of damage. Yes, we took that one. Don't run into this. We have 3 on us now. And we have 3 lives left. Keep on getting the gingerbread man. Almost there. Oh no. This is that one. Last one. Come on. I wonder how many waves there are. We're on wave 3 or 4. We're on wave 3 still. Now there's nutcrackers. Oh no. Okay, these ones are easier to defeat than the, what's it called? The gingerbread man. Oh, that'd help. 16. 4. Yeah. There we go. And we got the last one. We're on wave 4. Wave 4? Yes. Alright, more nutcrackers. Ah. Okay, you got those. Oh, what's this green? Oh, you have power? I didn't know that. Gotta get this green. He keeps getting it. Oh, we got so lost alive.
We are on wave 5. We died again, so we only have 1 life. So we have to be careful this time. No. Get away. I wonder how many lives he has. Let me know in the comments down below when you watch this. How many lives did you lose? He's doing good on health. But I got shot with one of those purple candy canes and I got stuck in the floor. And then the nutcracker just came up on me and I died. See? Okay, this. Come on, last one. I think that's it. I guess the harder you throw it, it goes farther. Like, if you just barely tap, it doesn't go that far. More? Why there's so many? Oh no. Gotta watch out for those. Ah. Just run. Oh, I better start shooting them so we don't die. And just keep running. Okay, we got one. Watch out for the snowmans. Oh, no, no. We got hit. Gotta get the green gingerbread man. Now we just have a candy cane stuck in us. Oh, there's so many. I hope this is the last stage. But then we have these arrow things. Oh, they got us. Come on, come on. Let's go over there. Okay, we do. Final wave, let's go. Oh, what? Big nutcracker. I'm just gonna do like a lot of power to defeat him. Final boss. On. Oh, jump, jump. Yes. Okay. Just gotta keep going in. Doesn't. There's a lot of health. Should we jump? Yes. Spam jump it. Throw it. Throw at his feet. Come on, come on. Start jumping. Okay. Throw at his feet. This is. Oh. What is he doing? Oh no, jump.
Oh no, now there's gingerbread man. Oh my gosh, why? Keep throwing it at the boss. And then you have to keep jumping. Keeping at the boss. Watch out. Okay, we got our health back up. So we get these nutcrackers out of the way. Jump. Oh. Okay, at least we got those people and we got the jump. Okay, skate getting it. Don't get hit by the nutcrackers. Okay, we're back to full health. And just jump. Yes. Okay, we're a little past halfway done with the boss. Keep throwing it at him. Jump, jump, jump. Right. Jump. There we go. Keep throwing at him. Oh, no. How about halfway? Oh, this candy cane. I don't like it. Keep throwing at the boss, yes. Jump. Keep running. Hit the boss. I think all the mobs die when you... Oh no.
Why are there so many? No, I'm trapped. Guys, I'm trapped. I died with 0 lives left. Oh no, come on. Wait. Oh, maybe we have 4 lives? Or did we have to restart? Yep, we have to restart. No. We were doing good. But let's see. Let's try this one more. Okay guys, so we are back and we tried like 3 or 4 more times and it was hard and we didn't beat it, but when you do beat it, you get 50 coins and some presents. So if you guys want to do that, get some coins, some gold, and you beat the boss. That's what you get. And let's go check out this new block. Oh, and someone bought a present for us. Let me see, where's it? Right there. This person bought everyone a gift. So thank you for that. Let's go check out the new block right here. We have 177. Oh, so they change colors when you place them. That's nice. So like now they're all changing white. So, I think if you just add a block to it, it changes color. So these are all the different colors that are in the blocks. So that is nice. So you could build like a Christmas house like this. And there we go. So this was the Christmas update in Build a Boat for Treasure. And if you want to see me build something Christmassy and build a boat, I will do it. So thank you guys for watching. Check it out.